So today I'm gonna show you how to claim free PDUs. Let's go to pmi.org and here you are. Log into your dashboard and put in your username password. I put in mine. Let's go to my dashboard. So how do I earn PDUs? Click on report PDUs and click on working as a practitioner here. Who is the employer? Write the employer ID. I'm gonna say ABC India. Write your job title. I say SSP North and write your responsibilities. What were you doing? So here say that I designed, I worked XYZ initiative. You can write the URL if you want to, contact person whom PMI should be able to get in touch with for your PDU verification. Write down from where you started working and from till what time you were working. So you were working from, let's say, on this initiative from 1st October 2024 and this initiative got completed in December, 31st December. So how many PDUs do you want to claim? You can go ahead and claim your PDUs. If I say 10, I am not too sure whether it's gonna take 10. You can have maximum 8 PDUs here. And then say I agree and click on submit. So this is ACP value cannot be more than 4, so write 4. Let's click on submit and here it cannot be more than 8, so you write 8 here and then click on submit and that should be it. This is submitted and it will come back to you on your dashboard.